Hey, everybody. I was thinking, right? I hear a lot of people who are in recovery and they tell me that they're not going to stop smoking marijuana. They don't care what I say. They're not going to stop smoking marijuana, right? They think that, they can be okay and smoke marijuana. It's not my place to tell you that you can't do that, right? Most programs require abstinence. Not unless you're going to get in a harm reduction type of program. There are many ways to recover. Some people decide to do complete abstinence. Some people stay away from the drug that they feel caused them the most problems. And some people decide that they're going to smoke marijuana for the rest of their life. It's not my place to tell you how to recover. Whatever works for you is what you're going to have to do. As a professional, I would not talk to somebody who has 5 years clean, has less than 5 years clean, like I would talk to somebody who had 20 years clean. It's a different place, right? I would, as a professional, recommend abstinence initially, right? Not, and I'm not talking about the MATs or whatever. Those are legitimate recovery tools that people use. So if you got to use an MAT, do what you have to do. I'm talking about as far as the marijuana goes, right? And those are my worst patients. Woo! Those, Miss Brown, it came from the earth. Miss Brown, I can smoke it. Miss Brown, oh my God. I'm going to say this. If you on paper, I wouldn't smoke it. If you in a state where it's illegal, I wouldn't smoke it, right? I would consider my recovery first. Get off the paper, right? Make the decisions that I need to make for my life. And if you find that marijuana don't cause you no problems, you can function, normal person in society, it's legal where you live at, you ain't missing a beat, do your thing. Your recovery is your responsibility. The guys that you run across through your process, hopefully they're giving you wise information. If you were my sponsee, no, I would want you to do complete abstinence for a while, right? I know a lot of people who are addicted to marijuana. I mean bad, right? So don't tell me it's not a drug. It is a drug. Does it have municipal properties? Absolutely. It's from the ground. I know. So is cocaine and all the rest of them starts as a plant. We just have to be wise. So no, I would never tell you what you need to do for your recovery because it's your responsibility. But if you came for me for guidance to help you to get 20 years clean, whatever it is you want to do, then I would suggest some things and you have to be open to that, right? You have to be open to that. That's why it's important that you get a sponsor that you can trust. But the marijuana thing, they are the worst patients to treat. Let me say that again. Oh my goodness. They are the worst y'all the worst people to treat, right? But if it's not causing you any problems, your family don't have a problem with it, you're not flunking out of school, you go to work, you on time every day, you're a productive member of society, it's legal where you live at, I cannot tell you how to recover. You got to make sure recovery is your life. And how does that look for you in your life? It may look different for you than it looks for me, right? So I'm going to say this. If you're in treatment and you want to recover, get you a sponsor, a good sponsor. Somebody that has way more clean time than you. Don't get anybody that got a year clean and you're going to say, this is my sponsor. I wouldn't even recommend getting anybody outside of the program that you're trying to recover with. I wouldn't recommend that, but your recovery is your responsibility. People be saying, well, my auntie going to be my sponsor. Well, my uncle's a reverend. He's going to be my sponsor. No, you need to get you a sponsor that's dealing with what you're trying to get over. They're your best connection, if you like that or not. Mom and daddy, are they addicts? Did they go to treatment? Do they have a degree in substance abuse therapy? Do they? Right? So, make sure that you find someone that you want to emulate, right? You see they're doing good in their recovery and you kind of like that and you want that. And maybe you'll start out with them and maybe you'll decide that you want to pick someone else. You get to do that. But the marijuana thing, it's iffy to me, right? I think that your recovery, your responsibility. If I was your sponsor or somebody like that and you came in contact with me and you got less than a year clean, I would want you to show me that you want this. So yeah, I would suspect that you stay clean no matter what, right? And call me when? Before you use. Don't call me high talking shit. I'm going to hang up on your ass. Oh, you should have called me before you use so I could prevent you so you don't got to feel bad and guilt and shame and all that. And you might go back out there using and might not be able to find your way back. So call before you use. Don't call me. Anyway, my name is Miss Carrie. If you suffer from addiction or you know somebody who suffers with addiction and they need help, want help, please refer them to the page. If they need further help, brownbuildingllc@gmail.com. brownbuildingllc@gmail.com. If I cannot help you, I know a lot of people that will be happy to help you. But again, yeah, that marijuana thing, it's from the earth, Miss Brown. Okay. It could be from the earth. It won't be from the earth. Or are you on paper? Huh? Or are you messing up in school? Huh? Do you got legal problems? Then you can't smoke. Is it legal where you live at? Then you can't smoke. Get yourself together.